Hi guys, Pavel from Emotid speaking. In today's video we have this EK water block for 3070, but a bit a special one. So without further ado, let's go and start with the opening of the box. But first I have to tell you one story. This is round 2 because you will see all the seals opened. And the reason for that is because in the first round I already shoot the whole video, and after that I found out that my microphone was low of the battery and he stopped recording the sound. So I have a video without any sound. So let's go and try it for a second time. So let's double check how the front block or block itself looks like. And there is still no block. What do we have? We have thermal pads, very big bunch of screws, and thermal compound, and the tool for screwing or unscrewing the fittings. It's nice to have a black covers for the fittings. That's nice. We will have a look at it right now, because I have to be honest, I didn't seen this black covers any time before. So let's check how it looks. It's just a plastic covers which you can click. I don't want to do that, but you can just push them gently to the fitting or kind of a fitting. It is nice to have possibility to do that. I'm not telling you that I will do that, but it's nice to have a possibility. Okay, so and now the block itself. Why I thought that this block is a special? Well, because it has a side, outlet and inlet, like you can see here. That's what's so special. It's blocked for a Founders Edition, and I choose this specific one because I will use this block for my next build, where my card will be placed like here is the motherboard. It's a laying, so my water block and card will be placed like this, and that's why I choose this kind of a placing of inlet outlet, because I want my tubing to go like this over the block, not from a side, because here will be CPU block and RAM block, so I need to have it right here. And oh boy, this water block is so pretty, and I really like the simpleness of this water block. The RGB is placed here, so it means that this part will be go wider, which is just perfect. And because of the PCBs of Founders Edition are very small, the block itself is very small either. So you will be able to see very small part of the PCB. That's nice, I like that, and it's super cute. Not much what I can talk about this more. So from the back side, yes, already a lot of fingerprints. I'm sorry for that. And the block itself is quite heavy, because when I would like to show you like this, I almost need to use my second hand to not to fall down. I need to breathe a bit. Yeah, and that's probably everything about this front block. And now we can open the second box, which is a backplate. Yes, As EK always do, there is a hidden, and I would call it as a hidden side of a box with the screws. Just the screws. Okay, let's unpack it. As you can see, seal is already broken. Okay, what do we have here? Whatever. Here are the thermal pads for further cutting, and here is the backplate. Oh, I hope that it's not scratched. No, it was just some kind of a mess. So it is a backplate. It's fairly small. I love the CNC machining job. It looks so pretty. And if we can put it together, I hope that it is a correct order. Yes, it looks like this. Very small, very compact. I simply love this side inlet outlet. In my case it will sit like this, and the RGB from the fans will glow directly through this shiny metal plate. So it means that in the whole of my room it will look like on some kind of a disco show, and I love it. Yeah. And yeah, last thing, here is a standard 3-pin PWM, standard 3-pin RGB connector, and that's description of screws. And that's everything about this block. Guys, I can hint small thing about the future build. It will be special as most of my builds, because it will be placed in ASA Pyramid 804 Type L. So having a pyramid case is always special, don't you think so? And with this surprise at the end of a video, I would like to thank you for your time, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, give it a subscribe, and I hope that I will see you soon. Have a great day. Bye. Bye.